How do we handle what you think is the appropriate limit of insurance? Let's talk about it. Hey, what's going on? It's Ryan from Smith & Sons Insurance Agency, where we are on a mission to transform the way individuals, families, and small businesses secure financial stability. Today, I want to speak to you about something in our agency that we use to help our clients figure out what's the lowest you should go. We have coverage standards in place so that when you come to us and say, I think I need to save on my insurance this year. I want to reduce my liability limit as low as it can go. We don't think that's a good idea. Now, we respect your decision, of course. It's ultimately up to you, but we don't think you should skimp on coverages just to save a few dollars, especially important things like your liability. So let's say in this example, you want to reduce your personal auto liability limit to the state minimum, which is $25,000 per person, $50,000 per incident, and $25,000 for property damage per incident. If you want to lower to that, we're going to say, no, let's just wait a minute. You currently have $500,000 combined single limit on this. You're going to lose so much coverage by reducing it to that much. We're going to say, let's start at this. Let's start at our agency minimum coverage standard, which is $100,000, $300,000, $100,000, $100,000, $300,000, $100,000 versus the $25,000, $50,000, $25,000. And that's significantly more coverage. And what we find most times is that it's really not that big of a difference in the premium. So you may be thinking, I haven't ever used my insurance. I've never had to use, I've never been in an accident, never had to pay someone for damages I did to their vehicle. I don't need that much liability insurance. How many cars have you driven by in the last 48 hours that were valued at $25,000 or more, right? That's the property damage part. That's the third number in those series, 25, 50, 25. That's the one. You can go through $25,000 so quickly when it comes to auto liability. Now, we have the same thing for our homeowners. Really, we have agency coverage standards for all lines of coverage in our agency. And this is so that we can tell you, our client, that we don't think you should go below this. Now, that's not to say we won't allow you to go below that. Ultimately, it's your decision and we'll respect it. What that means is we need you to sign this form that says, we think this is maybe not such a good idea to go this low, but you want to. So sign here that says that I was presented the option of going with the minimum coverage standard, and I wanted to go below that. So really, that's it. If you want to go lower than our coverage standards, we just ask you to sign a form that says it's your decision. The agent made me aware of the price difference and the coverage difference, and I decided to choose that anyway. So standards are a great way for us to make sure that not only our client is getting an adequate level of insurance, but that others in the community can associate our clients with having appropriate levels of insurance. If you want to have this conversation with us, we'd be happy. We'd be happy to look at the policies and the coverages that you have in place and talk about why our agency coverage standards are what they are, just like I gave you that example on the autos. Anyway, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, or a direct message on our Facebook or Instagram. Give us a like, leave us a comment below if you like this video, if you have any questions about it. Hit subscribe if you want to see more of our content. And we would appreciate it if you told someone about our YouTube channel. Again, this is Ryan with Smith & Sons Insurance, and talk to you soon.